Hey y'all, it's Tania, your rhythm cardio instructor, and I want for you to join me in learning a line dance today. Now y'all, I love line dance, okay? So we're gonna learn a line dance to the song Amen by Madison Ryan Ward. And of course, this is choreographed by me. All right, so this video is an instructional video where I'm gonna break down all of the steps, practice them with you, and then in the next video is the full dance itself, okay? So it's 5 steps, y'all, for this dance. Step number 1 is called the skate. So think about skating at a skating rink, okay? We're gonna skate for 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your skate. You see how we just skated up? That's what we doing, okay? So you do that skate for 4. Then you're going to move out, in, slide to the right, out, in, slide to the left, okay? So we have that skate for 4 and then our out, in, slides. So let's put those 2 parts together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move out, in, slide to the right, out, in, slide to the left. All right, how you feel? So we had our skate for 4, our out, in slides, right and left. Now we're gonna do a kick, kick, pause. And it sounds exactly like what it is, which is kick, kick, and pause. And then kick, kick, and pause. So that's right, left, pause on the right. Left, right, pause on the left. Okay? So let's take it from the top. 4 skates, out, in, slide to the right, out, in, slide to the left, and kick, kick, pause. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's skate. And skate, and skate, and skate. Let's move out, in, slide to the right, out, in, slide to the left, and kick, kick, and pause. Kick, kick, and pause. All right, how you doing? You still with me? You still with me? Okay. Now we're going to grapevine. This dance is called a 2-wall line dance, meaning we start out with our, facing our first wall. That's you just, I'm facing you. Then we end up flipping to the back wall, okay? So the next move, our grapevine, flips us to that back wall, which is our second wall. So that grapevine is right, left, right, flip. And you see how I end up at the back wall, okay? So let's just try that grapevine that flips us to the back wall. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and right, left, flip. Boom. All right, you made it. Now, we're going to add on to that. Once we flip to that back wall and that left foot is up, then we're going to complete the grapevine. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's like immediately that left foot goes down, which is 5, 6, 7, 8. So the left goes down, step right, left, right. Okay? So let's do it from the top. The skate for 4, the out, in, slide, the kick, kick, pause, grapevine flip, and then finish out the grapevine. All right, y'all, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's skate. Skate, skate, skate. Let's move. Out, in, slide to the right. Out, in, slide to the left. Let's kick, kick, and pause. Kick, kick, and pause. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3. Let's flip. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, you facing the back wall? I hope you are. Guess what happens now, y'all? The dance starts from the top, just facing the back wall. So we go back to the skate. Skate for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's next? Out, in, slide to the right, out, in, slide to the left. Then kick, kick, and pause. Kick, kick, and pause. Great one. 1, 2, 3. Let's flip. 5, 6, 7, 8. So did you catch that grapevine flip that got us back to the front? So after we do our kick, kick, and pause, kick, kick, and pause, then we start with our grapevine. Right, left, right. Pick the left up, place, right, left, place. Okay? Let me do that flip one more time and count it out. From the kick, kick, pause, okay? And then the grapevine flip back to the front. So it looks like kick, kick, and pause. Kick, kick, and pause. Let's move. 1, 2, 3. Let's flip. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So we're here. I'm facing the front. I hope you're facing the front. And then, y'all, we're going to bounce it out. So when we get to the chorus, she says, amen, 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 amen. So that's a bounce. We're going to bounce, bounce. 1, 2, 3. Bring it up. Bounce, bounce. 1, 2, 3. Flip, bounce, bounce. 1, 2, 3. Bring it up. Bounce, bounce. 1, 2, 3. Per hands. Bounce, bounce. 1, 2, 3. Bring it up. Bounce, bounce. 1, 2, 3. Let's flip. Bounce, bounce. 1, 2, 3. Bring it up. Bounce, bounce. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And this song is the Lord's Prayer. Okay? Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, but she's singing it, and it's really dope. Okay? So, one more part remaining, and that is the bridge, which the bridge is very slow, and it's just a box step. So you're going to step left, you're going to cross right, you're going to move back left, back right. Those are what your feet are doing, and it's slow. Step left, cross right, back left, back right. Your arms with it. Raise your left arm when you step left. Raise your right arm when you step right. Take it back and back. You're going to do that 2 times, and then the dance starts over from the top. All right? So I'm going to do the full dance, calling out the steps from top to bottom. Okay? So follow me. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's skate. 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 Let's move. Out. In. Slide to the right. Out. In. Slide to the left. Let's kick. Kick and pause. And kick. Kick and pause. Great vine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's skate. And skate. And skate. And skate. Let's move. Out. In. Slide to the right. Out. In. Slide to the left. Let's kick. Kick and pause. And kick. Kick and pause. Great vine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's bounce. Bounce. 1, 2, 3. Bring it up. Up. 1, 2, 3. Let's flip it. Flip. 1, 2, 3. Bring it up. Up. 1, 2, 3. Per hands. Down. 1, 2, 3. Bring it up. Up. 1, 2, 3. Let's flip. Flip. 1, 2, 3. Bring it up. Up. 1, 2, 3. And bridge. Bridge. Back. Back box step. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's really slower than that. And then it starts all over again. Okay? All right, friends. I hope y'all ready to move. That is amen. Join me in the next video and let's do the dance.